Let's start with example 5. Here they given two equations. The solution to the given system of equations is x comma y. What is the value of 3y minus 0.78? Here you need not find y value from the given two equations. That's going to be a lengthy process. If you observe carefully the given equations, you see here 0.05x plus 0.8, that is exactly same which is in the equation 2. The question what they're asking is 3y minus 0.78, that is exactly which is in equation 2 again. So what I'm going to do is, first I'll just substitute this equation 1 into equation 2. I'm going to substitute 4 in the place of this, and I'll continue with equation 2 plus 5, 3y minus 0.78, that equals 20. So this is going to be 12 plus 5 into 3y minus 0.78, that equals 20. Transpose 12 to RHS, and here it is 20. 20 minus 12, which is 8. So you are going to get 5 into 3y minus 0.78 equals 8. So what we need? We need 3y minus 0.78. So just transpose 5 to RHS, 3y minus 0.78, which is 8 by 5. So 8 by 5, which is equals 1.6. So 3y minus 0.78, which is equals 1.6. So exercise 13.1, question number 16. Here they given two equations. In the given system of equation, A is constant. Fine. The system has exactly one solution. Fine. Which of the following could not be the value of A? Could not. So out of A, B, C, D, one of them is not a value of A. So you need to connect with the condition. So what is the meaning of one solution? It has exactly one solution. So one solution means they have a point x comma y. So to get that solution, how can we get that one solution from this given equations? We just go with the random way. To get that one solution, I'll try to match y terms, then I'll get the value of x, then I'll substitute into the equation, I'll get the value of y. That's what we do. That's what we are doing from the very beginning. So for that, I'll multiply this equation with 3. Why? Then this y term changes to 6y, that is positive 6y, this is negative 6y. So if that goes off, I will get the value of x, which means for the given equations, it has one solution. If that is not working, then it doesn't have any solution. So this equation changes to 3ax plus 6y, that equals 15. This second equation is as it is, 3x minus 6y, that equals 20. Now what we do is substitute given options into A and check which could not be the value of A. So option A, they given A value equals to -1. Let's substitute A value here as -1. So we are going to get negative 3x on substituting -1 there. Negative 3x plus 6y, that equals to 15. And second equation as it is, 3x minus 6y, that equals to 20. So if you solve these two equations, obviously this will go off. Negative 3x, positive 3x is 0. This will go off. Negative 3x, sorry, positive 6y, negative 6y. Then you're going to get 0 equals to something like 35. So it's no solution. It doesn't have a solution. What does it mean? When do you know that it has a solution? When you got the x and y values, then we say it has a solution. So it's directly option A is correct. Let me check option B, C, D. So now I'm substituting 3 by 4 in the value of A. This 3 by 4 I'm just putting here in the equation 1. Let's see what I'm going to get. So 3 into A value 3 by 4, which is 9 by 4x directly, plus 6y, that equals 15. 3x minus 6y, that equals 20. So on solving these equations, you get some value, you get some x value. So take that x value, substitute back into the equation, you get y value. So you're getting some x value and y value, which means it has a solution. What we are looking for? We are looking for which of the following could not be the value of A. This doesn't have a solution, so that's why it's option A. It's not option B. Now let's go with option C. Let's substitute A value as 1 in this equation. So we are going to get 3x plus 6y. 3x plus 6y equals 15. And second equation is going to be 3x minus 6y, that equals 20. On solving these two equations, you are going to get some value of x. Definitely you get 6x equals to 35, so you'll be getting some x value. Take that x value, substitute into any equation, you get some y value, which means it has a solution. If a equals to 1, there is a solution. Now if there is a solution, then option C is incorrect, because we are looking for which could not be a solution. Now let's take this a value 3 and substitute in place of a. So we are going to get 3 into 3, which is 9x, plus 6y, that equals 15. 3x minus 6y, that equals 20. On solving these two equations, you get some value of x. 12x equals to 35, something like that. So which means you're getting x. Substitute that back into the equation, you get y value. You're getting some solution here. So in option B, C, D, you're getting some solution when a value is 3 by 4, a value is some 1, a value is 3, you're getting solution. But for when a value is -1, you're not getting any solution. So that's what they are asking, which could not be the value of a. So that's option A. That can't be the value of a. So try to eliminate y from the given equation, so you get x, and substitute back, which means it has a solution because you're getting x and y values. That's how we solve. If you're not, then it doesn't have a solution. Exercise 13.1, question number 19. Here the given graph to us. The graph of one of the two equations in a linear system is shown in xy plane. Fine. Here you can see a line. The system has no solution. Remember that point. System has no solution. Which equation could be the second equation in this system? So you have 4 equations here. Which one will connect with this given line? So basically they said no solution. What do you mean by no solution? It doesn't have any solution, which means the lines won't intersect at all. If they are infinitely many, they will coincide. If they have one solution, they will intersect at one point like this. The lines will intersect at one point like that. If there is no solution, we learn that the lines are parallel. They won't meet at any point. They won't intersect at all. So for parallel lines, slope is same. So what is the slope of this line? Down 2 units and right side 3 units. So its slope equals to -2 by 3. So here in option C and D, we have same slope. So option may be C or D. So how can we say which one is the right? So you can see here y-intercept is 1, I mean -1, and y-intercept is 3 here. It is definitely not option D, because if it is +3, it's going to be the same line. You see, it is 3, here it is 3. If that is the case, these two given lines have infinitely many solutions because the lines are coinciding. So it's option C, not D, because if that is the case, these both lines will be infinitely many solutions. But the given condition is no solution. For no solutions, lines must be parallel. So it's obviously -1. It's y-intercept. Exercise 13.2, question number 5. We are just solving this question 5 with a method 2. We already solved this with method 1. I'm going to solve it by method 2. So here, which of the following systems of linear equations has no solution? So for these two equations, what they given, do they have no solution? Definitely not, because clearly we have a solution. X value is 8, y value is 8. It's a solution. So it itself is a solution. So it's not going to be a no solution. So option A is incorrect. Now we have y value. If you substitute y value into the second equation, you're going to get x value, which means you're getting x and y value, it has a solution, but the condition is no solution, which means option B is incorrect. Coming to option C, y equals to 8x and y equals to 8x plus 8. Just substitute this 8x in the place of y in second equation. So 8x cut off, you will be getting 0 equals to 8. So here we don't have any x value, we don't have any y value. So which means this is a no solution. So option C is correct. And you can see option D, two y values are given. Just directly substitute this y value into the first one or first into the second. So you will be getting 8x plus 8, that equals to, I just kept it here in the first equation, that equals to negative 8x plus 8, positive 8 off, and 8x transpose this to LHS, it's going to be positive 8x equals 0, 16x equals 0, x value equals to 0. You got x value is 0, substitute this x into first equation. So first equation is y equals to negative 8x plus 8. So if you substitute this 0, you get directly y value as 8. So here you're getting some x and y value. Here you have some solution. So if you have solution, then this is incorrect. They said it's no solution. Equations have no solution. So you can directly just substitute and see which one is getting a solution. It's obviously option C, which is not getting any solution. So it's option C is the right answer. This is the fastest way to get it.